Okay, good morning, my dear students. This is the one more interesting topic in the method 3, test of significance for variables, large sample. This is the second method. We completed the first method in the previous classes. You can see in our channel. This second topic is here, testing the difference between two means here. Okay, this is the most important here. Two means we are going to test here. So you observe this small one line here. In case of two test, the significance between two means here, significance between the means of two samples, the following formula to be used for known. Okay, this is the formula. Standard error x bar 1 minus x bar 2 is equals to, see, write in this way, under root here, under root standard deviation standard deviation 1 square by n1 plus standard deviation 2 square by n2. Okay, once again I am repeating here, standard error x bar 1 minus x bar 2 is equals to under root standard deviation 1 square by n1 plus standard deviation 2 square by n2. So we are focusing on this part here, x bar 1 and x bar 2. X bar means here mean. We are going to find out in this method. We are focusing on only mean values only. We are focusing. We are not focusing on any other values. Okay. While we are doing the problem, you will get a clarity regarding this mean. Okay. Then the calculated principle is here. Difference between two means here. Again here two means. Difference between two means divided by standard error x bar 1 minus standard error x bar 2. Okay, or we can write directly x bar 1 minus x bar 2 by standard error x bar 1 plus x bar 2, x bar 1 plus x bar 2, but you need to focus on these formula only. Okay, so here once again I am clearly explaining the formula here. Standard error x bar 1 minus x bar 2 is equals to under root standard deviation 1 square by n1 plus standard deviation 2 square by n2. Then calculated value is equals to difference between two means divided by standard error x bar 1 minus x bar 2. Okay, this is a formula. So we are moving into the problematic part here. So this is a given problem. Problem number 1 here. Intelligent test on two groups of boys and girls gave the following results. Okay, a test is conducted on boys and girls. After the test is concluded, the intelligent results are there here. Girls, boys. Okay, mean, standard deviation and number of participants here. Okay, is there a significant difference in mean scores obtained by boys and girls at 1% level? Okay, here we need to focus on only mean only based on the formula. We are focusing on mean as well as these standard deviation values we are going to take only to know the standard error x bar 1 minus x bar 2 value only. Okay, but while we are calculating, while the calculated value is calculated, we are focusing on these two means only. Difference between two means here we are going to focus. Then is there a significant difference between in the mean scores here, mean scores obtained by boys and girls at 1% level? Okay, so immediately what we are going to do here, we are going to solve the problem. See, you observe the problem carefully here. This is the first step here. Already these steps, okay, setting hypothesis, these hypothesis tests are there. We learned and we know what are the steps here. Step number 1, setting hypothesis. Step number 2, okay, setting suitable significance level. Setting suitable significance level. That is a test number, the step number 2. The next one is step number 3, test criterion. Okay, the next one is doing calculation. Then the last one is here decision, here decision rule. Okay, you observe the solution here. Setting hypothesis. First step is the setting hypothesis. A null hypothesis H naught mu is equals to H naught. There is no difference in between two mean scores obtained by boys and girls. The next one is alternative hypothesis, that is HA mu is not equal to HA. Mu is not equal to HA. The next one is setting suitable significance level. Okay, in the second step we have to observe that whether LOS value is given in the question or not. If yes, if it is given, then what we have to do, we have to take the critical value, we have to write at this stage only. Okay, setting suitable significance level. In the given question 1% is given, it is clearly mentioned. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to write here step number 2, that is setting suitable significance level at 1% LOS 99% confidence level, that is 2.58. 2.58 is a critical value. Okay, this is a step number 2. Then next one is test criterion. In the test criterion, which method we are doing, the topic number 2, which method we are doing, then we have to write the formulas here. The formula number 1 here, the formula is here standard error x bar 1 minus x bar 2 is equals to under root, okay, under root standard deviation 1 square divided by n1 plus standard deviation 2 square by n2. Okay, this is the principle, the first principle. The second one is here calculated value is equals to difference of two means divided by standard error x bar 1 minus standard error x bar 2. Okay, according to this, standard deviation information is there in the question and mean information is also there. N1 and N2 information also available. So simply we have to implement the formulas and the values. Okay, then what we have to do, next step is here doing calculation. In doing calculation, what we are going to do, simply again we are going to write these formulas. Okay, the formula is here standard error x bar 1 minus x bar 2 is equals to, okay, is equals to under root standard deviation 1 square divided by n1 plus standard deviation 2 square by n2. Again the formulas are written. Then after formulas are written, what we have to do, simply see standard deviation 1 is equals to, you observe the question, in the given question standard deviation value is given clearly, that is 15. N1 is equals to 150. Okay, then immediately standard deviation 2 is equals to 20, N2 is equals to 250. Standard deviation is 15. Okay, then N1 is equals to 150. Then standard deviation 2 here, this is the standard deviation 2 information. Standard deviation 2, then N2 information is equals to 250. So we are going to solve this the given information. Okay, the formula is here under root standard deviation 1 square by 150, standard deviation 2 square by 250. Okay, finally we got the answer is 1.76. So you observe the calculation part here carefully. Okay, 1.76 we got. Then after doing calculation, we completed the doing calculation here. Calculated value we need to do here. So here calculated value, only we concluded standard error x bar 1 minus x bar 2, that is 1.76. Then after completion of this one, we have to apply the one more formula, that is calculated value is equals to What is our principle here? Difference. Already the principle is there here. Or simply we can focus on the two mean values here. Okay, two mean values we need to focus. Okay, calculated value is equal to difference of two means divided by standard error 1 here. Standard error 1 minus standard error 2. Standard error 1 minus standard error 2 is equals to here, is equals to difference of two means here. Again we need to check the given question, that is the mean is equals to girls are 75 and boys are 70. 75 minus 70, okay, divided by standard error x bar 1 minus x bar 2 value. Already we got the value, that is 1 point, okay, 1.76. already the value is there. Okay, I am writing here the value 1 point, see 1.76, the value is written here, is equals to 5 divided by, okay, 75 minus 70 means 5 divided by 1.76. Then finally the calculated value we got, that is equals to 2.84. 2.84. Please all of you unmute yourself. 2.84. This is the calculated value principle result finally. Okay, then next the fifth one is here, decision rule. Decision, we have to write that, take the decision that the calculated value 2.84 is greater than or more than 2.58 at 1% LOS. Hence the null hypothesis H0 will be rejected. Okay, so it can be concluded that there is a significant difference between the mean scores obtained by boys and girls. Boys and girls. Okay, this is the problem. Okay, and wait a minute. So this is first problem we completed.